Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing baby Bluey with a silly stinky nappy. In this video, it's all about being clean and not messy and how we can be kind helpers. Grab your crayons and paper, let's draw together. Are you ready? Let's go! And if you love drawing and smart stories, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. While we draw, let me tell you something that happens in every family. Babies make messes. Yep, even cute little Bluey as a baby might have a super stinky nappy. PU. But don't worry, messes are not disasters. They're just little jobs for helpers like us. Here's a simple helper rule. Stop, check, clean. Stop, take a deep breath and stay calm. Check. What needs help? Nappy? Wipes? Bin? Clean. Do the cleanup and put things away. And guess what? Being tidy keeps everyone happy and healthy. After a nappy change, hands get washed with soap and water. That's part of the helper job too. Another tip, use kind words, even when it's stinky. We can say, "It's okay, we'll fix it." Kind voices make babies feel safe. Keep drawing and coloring with me. You're doing great. Mini story time! Pretend play mode. On a sunny morning, baby Bluey is wiggly wiggly during change time. Guess what happens when Bluey does a super wiggle? The wipes box goes boop right off the table. You won't believe it. The wipes land on the toy drum with a funny thump-thump beat. Everyone laughs, but then, uh-oh, there are wipes everywhere. What do you think baby Bluey would do? Giggle more? Try to clap the drum? Or help by handing a wipe back? Here's what I think. The family sings a tidy up song while they pick up the wipes. The song goes, pick, pack, put away. Nice and neat, hooray today! If you think that's super silly, give this video a big like. Now some fun facts while we color. Fun fact 1. Clean hands are superhero hands. Washing with soap for 20 seconds helps chase away tiny germs. 20 seconds is about as long as singing the ABCs or this quick rhyme. Squish, swish, bubbles, wish. Clean, hands, happy, wish. Fun fact 2. Your nose is a helper too. Smells are clues. When something smells yucky, it can mean time to clean up. We can play a gentle game called Sniff Alert. If you notice a stinky smell, you tell a grown-up, "Sniff Alert, can we clean?" See? No teasing, just helping. But that's not all. Helper trick. The 3 big steps. Bag it, bin it, wash it. Bag it. Dirty nappy goes into a bag or wrap. Bin it. Put it in the trash with the lid closed. Wash it. Everybody does a hand wash high five. Nice and foamy. Keep drawing and coloring with me. The final picture will make you smile so big. Fun fact 3. Bins with lids are like smell catchers. When you close the lid, whoosh, bad smells stay inside. Easy peasy. Fun fact 4. Wipes and nappies don't go in the toilet. Toilets like only toilet paper. Everything else goes in the bin. If you're not sure, ask a grown-up helper. And here's a teamwork tip. Even kids can be great helpers during change time. Job 1. Fetch the clean nappy or a small bag. Job 2. Hold the wipes packet steady. Job 3. Make the baby smile with a goofy face or a gentle song. 3 helper jobs, 1 happy team. Let's make a tiny pretend scene again. Baby Bluey gives the biggest baby yawn. Everyone whispers, "Shh, sleepy time." The room gets calm, the nappy is clean, the bin is closed, hands are washed, and the toys are put away. Ta-da! From messy to tidy in 1, 2, 3. But that's not all. Keep drawing and coloring with me because the final image will wow you when you see how cheerful it looks. You're doing amazing, friends! Today we drew baby Bluey with a stinky nappy and learned to be calm and tidy with stop, check, clean, to wash our hands for 20 seconds like superheroes, and to be kind teammates who bag it, bin it, and wash it. And if you love smart stories and art, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video on Let's Draw and Learn. See you next time, friends. Bye!